We'll start by going through the buttons on the top menu. The first button is really meant for tablet devices where you don't have the ability to right-click to cancel anything. You can just simply tap the cancel button. Then you have a draw button. You either create things or you edit things. So by having it in draw mode, anything you do on the screen will draw new components. If you have it in edit mode, you can move things around and make changes to the layout. Then you have a basic cut, copy, and paste function to copy multiple or single components. Then you have a way to change the flow direction. If you happen to draw a section where the flow is going in the unintended direction, you can click on flow direction and change that. Basic undo and redo buttons, the delete button, zooming in, zooming out, and zoom full. You can do that either by using the buttons, or you can also, if you have a mouse wheel, you can roll the mouse wheel in and out. You can also press the mouse wheel down to pan the drawing. Finally, zoom full just brings you back to a standard drawing layout. Then there's a save button to save the layout. There's a 3D render button if you use a 3D compatible layout and a 3D compatible browser. A process button that generates your bill of materials, and a close button. Let's go ahead and look at the view button. As you can see right now, I'm in a standard front view. I can change the view at any time by clicking and selecting a different view. For example, the top or plan view. I can also switch to an isometric view, top right, top left, or I can view directly from either the right side or the left side. One thing you'll notice is anytime you have a section going away from the direction you're looking, you'll see a little circle inside. Let's continue with the right side properties panel. Now I can select edit mode, and I can highlight these two sections and set the material that I want to use. And also you can select the diameter you want to enter. There's a video specifically for the length mode that'll cover that in details, as well as the 3D drawing that'll cover all of the length entries in more details. The rest of the panel will be covered in more details once we start looking at actual applications.